Welcome! The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to request StudentTracker for High Schools reports through the Access Reports library. The Access Reports library feature is accessible to all STHS users with the technical role assigned to their web ID. The purpose of the reports library is to allow users the ability to request reports or segments of reports that have been previously run by the clearinghouse. Once you have logged into the Clearinghouse application with your web ID, navigate to the Research Services tab. Please note you must have a web ID and have assigned the Technical, FTP, and Reports roles to get into the Access Reports library. Select the Access Reports library hyperlink and select the appropriate query type, Graduate or Request. Then enter the effective date and choose the aggregate reports you want to receive and the schools to be included. If you would also like a detail report, indicate that as well. It's important to note that only previously created reports are available for request in the Access Reports library. Once reports have been created, you will be able to access them from your FTP account. For more detailed information, visit our Help Center.